In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate GitLab with Slack. This setup is a great way to keep your team informed without constantly switching between tools. Once it's connected, GitLab can send real-time updates straight into Slack, including things like code pushes, merge request activity, issue changes, and pipeline results. It also enables slash commands, so you can interact with your project directly from Slack. Before you begin, make sure you have the right permissions in both GitLab and Slack, since this integration requires access to install apps and manage the target project. First, open Slack either in the desktop app or in your browser. In the left sidebar, click More and then Apps, or choose Add Apps if that's what you see in your workspace. In the app directory search bar, search for GitLab. When the official GitLab app appears, open it and click Add to Slack. Slack will show you the permissions the app is requesting. Review them carefully, then click Allow to authorize the app inside your workspace. Next, move over to GitLab in a new browser tab and sign in to your account. Open the specific project repository you want to connect. In the project's left-hand sidebar, go to Settings and then Integrations. In the list of available integrations, find GitLab for Slack app and click into it. On that page, click the green Install GitLab for Slack app button. You'll be redirected to an authorization screen. From there, choose the correct Slack workspace, select the default channel where notifications should appear, and then click Allow or Install to complete the connection. After that, GitLab will send you back to the Integration Settings page. Scroll down until you reach the Trigger section. This is where you decide which events should post into Slack. You can enable push events to track branch or tag updates, merge request events to follow review activity, issue events to monitor task changes, and pipeline events to stay on top of CI and CD results. For each event you enable, choose the Slack channel you want from the matching drop-down menu. When everything looks right, scroll to the bottom and click Save Changes. Finally, head back to Slack and open the channel you just linked. Click into the message box, type the slash command to retrieve